This cat discovered something shocking about her owner's pottery business. Every day, she watched her owner carefully shape clay into beautiful pots. But when her owner stepped away one afternoon, the curious cat saw her chance. She jumped onto the pottery wheel and tried to finish the work herself. But her tiny paws pressed and pushed, and instead of creating art, she completely destroyed the pot. Panicking, she tried to hide the evidence. But when her owner returned and saw the mess, the cat braced for the worst. But something unexpected happened. Instead of getting angry, her owner smiled and helped the cat make her very first pot. It was wobbly and covered in paw prints. But when customers saw it, they went crazy. So the cat's imperfect pot sold out instantly.